Guys, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude back with another scan code video. Today we'll be taking a look at some of the Mattel Ceratopsian scan codes. We got the two Protoceratops repaints, got one Sinoceratops, got the other one coming soon, so we'll do a video on that later. The Pachyrhinosaurus, Nasutoceratops, and Styracosaurus as well, and I've got the other one on the way. So again, I'll have those ones featured soon. So let's start off with the Protoceratops. First we've got the Wave 1 Protoceratops. Here we go. Very nostalgic. Love the colors on that one. Next we've got the purple one from Dino Rivals. Styracosaurus is next, and it's neat to see that we're getting yet another repaint of this guy. The last one was hard to track down, kind of sucked to get that one, but I finally got it arriving, so thank goodness for that. It's cool because they painted all the horns on this guy. Like, wow, that one figure they put a lot of dedication into. Unlike this guy, they missed the horn. So we got the Sinoceratops scan code. One of my favorite figures to be released. I'm so glad they got around to it, but it took them, like, what? First lineup was 2018, 19, 20. It took them like 3 or 4 years to release this one. Kind of sucks. So we had that long wait. A lot of people were just customizing the Pachyrhinosaurus at that point. So here's our stand-in for the Sinoceratops, Pachyrhinosaurus. Let's go. This one's cool because it's a dinosaur local to me. Okay, and finally a very unique and cool new figure to the lineup, Zootoceratops. Well, not really new, this was back in 2019, but you know. It's a neat new mold. I'm hoping they do more of it, more repaints, because it's pretty sick. And like, if you guys aren't able to scan any of these, let me know and I'll include them in like another video. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Obviously you're here because you want to scan at least one of these things, or you're just watching it for entertainment, which, oh, sorry I wasn't that entertaining. But yeah, hope you guys got what you were looking for and enjoyed the video. Check out my channel for more scan code videos like this, so you guys can complete your scan code collections, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.